Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about face detection and tracking. Face detection refers to detecting the location of a face in a given image. This is often confused with face recognition, which is the process of identifying who the person is. A typical biometric system utilizes both face detection and face recognition to perform the task. It uses face detection to locate the face and then uses face recognition to identify the person. In this video, we'll see how to automatically detect the location of a face in a live video and track it. Open the directory which contains my all files. Here open HAR Cascade files for face and eye nose. You can download this file from the site available, or else in my file only you will get these all files. So here's the script, that is facedetector.py. Open facedetector.py using idle. Now let's move to the output. Now go to run menu. Here in the system I'm using idle, which is just a text editor. You can use Notepad++, which I have used in almost all of my videos. In Notepad++ also you have option called run. In that, go to run module. You can see it's running, executing. You can see here is my face. It is detecting my face. I'm just moving a face. I'm moving the laptop also with me. Even the background is moving, then also it is detecting my face. You can see I'm getting out of the frame, means it will not detect. I kept it below. I'm moving here, it is tracking my face. That's it. Done. I'll close it. So this demonstration I did it with my laptop, which has a webcam. So this is how face detector works. Now let's see the code behind it. Let's open facedetector.py using a notepad or idle, whichever editor you have. The first one is import CV2. We know what it does. After that, import NumPy as np. This also we know. Now next, load the HAR Cascade file which we had downloaded, which I have showed in the beginning of the video. So face cascade equals to CV2 cascade classifier, HAR cascade files, HAR cascade frontal face default XML. Now check if cascade file has been loaded correctly. If face cascade.empty, raise the error that is unable to load the face cascade classifier XML file. Now let's initialize the video capture object, that is cap equals to cv2.videoCapture 0. If you are using secondary camera, then instead of 0 in video capture, write 1. I'm using primary camera of my laptop, that is webcam, so I'm writing 0. Now let's define the scaling factor. I'll write scaling factor equals to 0.5. Now iterate until the user hits escape key, that is close, while cap equals to opened. Now capture the current frame equals to cap.read. Now resize the frame equals to cv2.resize frame none, fx equal to scaling factor, fy equals to scaling factor, interpolation equals to cv2.interarea. Now the important thing which we always do in object detection, that is converting the image to grayscale. Gray equals to cv2.cvt color frame cv2.color bgr to gray. Now run the face detector on the grayscale image, that is face rectangular equals to face cascade detect multiscale gray 1.35. Now let's iterate through the detected faces and draw rectangles around them. For XYWH in face rectangles, CV2 rectangle frame XY X plus W Y plus H 0 to 55 0 3. Now display the output, that is CV2 I'm sure face detector free. Now check if the user pressed the escape key. If so, exit the loop. C equals to cv2.wait key 1. If c equals to 27, then break. Now release the video capture object, that is cap.release. Once you exit the loop, make sure to release the video capture object and close all windows properly. That is cv2 destroy all windows. Now let's move to the output now. Go to the run menu. If you run the code, we'll see something like this, the window here. As it is just rectangle face, you move here and there, you can see I'm moving my face everywhere. It will detect my face through rectangle, which I already shown at the beginning of this video. So this is how face detection can be done. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.